Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, it is a clean with me type of video, and this is my first one. So I kind of want to tell you to bear with me because I noticed that the angles of the camera were not the best, but I am trying because a lot of you guys are requesting this type of videos on Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some motivation because trust me, it's not easy to maintain a house when you're a working mom and you have a toddler, like as you can see here, that you're cleaning in one side and he's making a mess in the other side. And if you're a mom and you know the struggle, comment down below. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my Friday night routine, you guys. So this is technically cleaning after dark. While many of you guys go to happy hour after work, I come home Friday night to clean. So I usually like to clean the whole first floor every Friday. I want to make sure the house is clean downstairs, that there's no mess, and that you could have visitors whenever because your house is technically clean all the time, and people don't go upstairs unless you invite them. So technically that's the rule. I want my first floor always to look nice and neat. So on this night, I started on the entryway. I started vacuuming, cleaning the mirrors, cleaning the stuff, moving the things around, making sure that decor was in place because as you guys know, Jaden moves them on a daily. And yes, luckily he doesn't break anything, but he's been breaking my coffee books, which I'm upset about that. But anyways, here I am on the living room, making sure that there's no food, any pieces of anything. I vacuum them every Friday because Jaden puts everything on his mouth still, so I want to make sure that nothing goes into his mouth that he shouldn't be going. Anyways, here I'm also rearranging all my pillows, which I go crazy when they look messy. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys could relate. So when I'm done vacuuming, all I do is remove this rock and put it on the entryway, and then I vacuum the whole living room. And then I also clean the mirrors because you guys, I have so many mirrors, and yes, they look beautiful, but they're high maintenance. And if you love mirrors, then you know what I'm talking about. You have to clean those pretty often. Here I am moving the accent chair, making sure they're, where they're supposed to be, fluffing the pillows. So the next thing I do is clean the coffee table, and you guys, the coffee table, not with Jaden walking around and touching everything, I have to clean it on a daily. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it gets cleaned on a daily because I hate to see the fingerprints, and it just drives me crazy. And he's breaking all my books, by the way, FYI. So then I move into the dining room, and as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff, even things that I have started shopping for Christmas already. So that's a haul coming up. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. So here I'm just picking up everything. The table was set up because you guys, I did a video for you guys, and honestly I'm putting everything away because I'm not hosting Thanksgiving this time around. So I'm gonna get ready to start removing all my fall decor soon so I could start planning for the holiday videos. So here again, I'm just cleaning all my mirror furniture because I have so much mirror in this house, so super high maintenance. But anyways, I'm over here using that foam thing that I get, the foam cleaner. I forgot the name, but I will list it in the description box for you guys. I get it at Home Depot. It's so affordable, and to me it cleans the mirror so well, you guys. So when I'm done cleaning all the mirrors, all I do is vacuum the area and also clean the stairs upstairs. So then, when I'm ready to map, I could just map the whole house downstairs without stopping. And that's what I will be doing next. So here I am, I'm getting ready to map the entire first floor. You guys, I'm in love with this map. I think it's called the Old Cedars. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. You know how I am. But it is so easy to use and convenient. You don't have to be touching it. You could just, I'm in love with this thing. I think I got it over Amazon, so I will link it down below for you guys. And I got hot, so I put the fan. And yeah, here am I, doing my workout for the night. So it is my first clean with me, don't judge. But the part where I was cleaning my kitchen did not record. I thought I was up and running and the camera was recording. Next thing you know, it was not recording. The battery had died once again. So yep, I'm not showing you that part, but I'm going to be sharing with you a really easy dinner that I like to make, especially on the weekends or Fridays when I'm cleaning, because who the hell wants to make a whole meal after cleaning an entire house? So who's hungry? It's time to make a quick dinner, and this is one of my favorite. So you guys, I finally jumped in the wagon and I bought the air fryer, and I found this one at Home Goods and I was so happy. It was like $69.99. So I was shopping and I got this General Tso's or Soul's chicken. I don't remember how you pronounce, but I got it at BJ's and I was like, you know what? Let me grab this because this will make a quick dinner any day. And I'm over here using my fryer for the first time and I'm excited. So while the chicken cooks, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some tomato and even add some cilantro. I think I'm gonna add some cilantro. So this could be like the topping for my letter wraps. So I totally forgot that I bought this salad chopper thing from Amazon, and you guys, it is the best. So when I remember I had it, I was like, wait a minute, I'm not gonna be chopping all this tomato. Let me go and get my little chopper. And here I am using it, and I love it. And it makes salad eating so much easier, especially for me. Look how nice this look, you guys. Didn't I tell you? It's the best. You need to get one. I will link it down below. So now I'm gonna move into making the sauce. All you have to do is put it in a pan and heat it. I'm not making anything. It's that easy. So while the sauce is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my romaine lettuce, which we're gonna be using to make the wraps. And this I picked up at BJ's too, and they organic supposedly. So yeah, they were yummy, I have to admit. So this is pretty much almost ready. So I'm over here just adding the cilantro. I told you I was gonna add cilantro. I love cilantro. I think I was Mexican in my other life. Guys, this chicken was everything. And if you have a BJ's card, go buy it, try it. You're gonna love it. So all I did to the chicken was just chop it using the same salad chopper thing that I have. And that's how it came out. It was so good. And then I assembled my wraps and I just top it up with this sriracha sauce, and it was delicious. Guys, that was it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope I gave you some inspiration and some ideas for a quick dinner whenever, you know, you're cleaning and stuff like that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.